Oh, it's right here. You want it or no?
Flower baby.
Oh, where's the baby's flower? He's okay. He's not sad. You got the baby? Oh, you love him?
Oh, Venus.
I got him.
I'm not worried. I know you got him. Oh, she's giving him kisses.
Sweet.
Very nice, Venus.
So good. Is that Jacob?
By the way, I'm recording this just so you know.
Oh.
It's really cute.
This practice for your brother?
Pretty soon. Any moment. It could even be today for all we know.
That's his mouth? Tongue? Yeah. Where's his ears? Where's his ears? Yeah. Where's his hands?
He likes looking at her.
Kids love the other kids.
I know.
Hands. Little fingers. Oh, he's tiny. Where's his feet? There's his feet. Little toes. Sock. It's a sock.
Oh my goodness, we're going to have to post this on YouTube or
Is this
something.
your baby?
Oh my
squeeze it.
goodness.